Welcome back, guys. Welcome to again another session of CSI Net Suggestions, and this is the second video, actually third video, and we are going to talk about the topic molecular biology. And the subtopics you need to focus more from molecular biology are, the different processes and the central dogma of biology. That is the three important things: DNA replication, transcription, and translation. You need to understand these concepts, and actually majorly among the DNA replication you need to understand about the different enzymes that are related to replication and their functions, right? The enzymes like DNA polymerase, their structure and function, the different functions like 3' to 5' endonuclease, 5' to 3' endonuclease, what they mean, what is Klineau fragments, and all this thing. Then you need to understand and talk about other enzymes like helicase, what is the function of helicase, ligase, guidase, and all these different types. Okay, and also a little bit about the topoisomerase problem that I haven't talked yet, but that is a part of this. Transcription and the transcription factors in eukaryotes. Transcription in prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes, that's very, very important. And the role of transcription factors, how tRNA and mRNA and all this, little about tRNA, mRNA, rRNA differences, their structures and all these things. And forget to mention, you also need to understand a little bit about the genetic code. That's also important. The code features, Hubble hypothesis, and all these regions. And third is the translation, obviously the protein synthesis pathway, majorly the stages of protein synthesis pathway, and especially I want you to know the 50S complex, what is meant by 50S complex, what is meant by 30S complex, what is meant by 70S complex of the ribosome, what do we mean by the initiation factor, or what do you mean by different factors of translation, and which is called as the initiation complex for protein synthesis. You need to understand all this. And then second part is the transcription, transposition and transposons, the transposons and the how transposition occurs, right? The idea of jumping genes, and especially among this part you need to understand about lines, so line, sign, and little about different repeats, repetitive sequences, repeats, DNA or nucleotide repeats, palindromic sequences, and all those DNA repeat sequences like short nucleotide repeats, SNPs, and all these things. These are the terminologies you should know as a biologist before going into any exam for biology. And recombination basics a little bit. Recombination basics means two different types of recombinations are there: site specific recombination, homologous recombination. Majorly about the homologous recombination, where homologous recombination come to play actually, and what are the enzymes that are involved. That's it. And in the bacterial molecular biology part, you need to understand the operon concept. I may have been put this in the genetics part, but still it's fine. In the operon concept, you need to understand that operons are very, very important, and how operon means in the gene regulation, actually the gene regulation in prokaryotes, right? I don't encourage you to memorize the gene regulation of eukaryotes. That's hugely complicated and different, difficult, but you must know the operon concept, especially the two different operon. One is the lac operon and the tryptophan operon. Arabinose operon, if you want, you can study, but majorly lac and tryptophan operon will do the trick. So these are the parts, these are the subtopics you need to learn uh, from molecular biology section, and that's it.